Bonjour à tous, bienvenue à French class with Anamika. Today we are going to learn passé composé in French. So before I start, please check my website and please like and subscribe my channel. So we'll learn today passé composé. Passé composé is basically what happened in the past. So basically we can say in order to form the passé composé in French, two components need to know. Okay. So either the verb être or avoir in present tense. So être and avoir will be a helping verb which is conjugated in present tense. So what exactly? Être and avoir to be conjugated in present tense and it's a helping verb, and the past participle of the verb that we need to conjugate. So it depends, like it depends on the category of verbs. There are three groups as we all know, right? So according to that we will compose the participle passé. Okay, so in the next slide we will see how to conjugate, how to form a participle passé with the regular verb. So verb, if we take er, verb is the first group, right? Er verb. So if you take a verb manger, manger, right? Manger. So if we have to compose the participle passé, what we will be doing? We will just drop or remove the er, and instead of er we will be adding e with accent aigu. So if we say manger, so we are removing the er and it will be mange with accent aigu. So to frame a sentence in passé with manger verb, we will say j'ai mangé, right? We'll come to the next group of verb, which is ir verb. Ir verb we can pick finir, 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 right? So finir, what we will do again for participle passé, we will drop the ir. Instead of ir, we add I. Okay, so j'ai fini. Okay, then we'll go to the third group of verb, re, that is the vendre. Vendre means to sell, and how we will drop re, and instead of re we'll be adding u. So subject plus the conjugation of avoir verb, and then we will remove the re and we have added u. So vendu, right? So how we do it? Again we will go for it. So basic sentence structure for any passé composé. First we will be using subject, conjugation of either être or avoir, that I will tell you in the next slide. Depends on the verbs, and the participle passé. So if we take avoir verb, we have the conjugation for in present tense of avoir verb, right? J'ai, I have, tu as, you have, elle, on a, he has, she has, right? Nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have, elles ont, they have. So what? We have the subject, we have the conjugation of avoir verb, and the participle passé we need to write. So again I have picked the regular er verb parler, to speak. So how to write? J'ai parlé, I spoke. Tu as parlé, you spoke. Il, on a parlé. He, she, it spoke. Nous avons parlé, we spoke. Vous avez parlé. You spoke. Ils, ont parlé, they spoke. So basically what we have done here, we have removed er and we have added e with axa aigu, and we have written the conjugation of avoir in present tense. So subject plus the conjugation of avoir verb in present tense and the participle passé, right? So this is the regular er verb parler. The next group is finir, right? Finir. So finir is ending with ir. So we'll drop the ir. Then we have to add I, right? So j'ai fini, I finished, tu as fini, you finished, elles ont fini, he, she, it finished, nous avons fini, we finished, vous avez fini, you finished, elles ont fini, they finished or they have finished, we can say. So what again we are doing, we are just dropping the ir, adding I to the verb. So that is our participe passé, and the regular this is regular ir verb, and what we are, the sentence structure would be subject plus a verb of conjugation in present tense and then the participe passé. Then we move forward for re verb. Pedro, to lose. So what we are doing here, again we are dropping the re. Instead of re we'll be adding you. J'ai perdu, I lost or I have lost. Tu as perdu, you lost or you have lost. Elle a perdu, he lost or she lost, or she has lost. Nous avons perdu, we lost. Vous avez perdu, you lost. Elles ont perdu, they lost. So again what we have done, we have dropped the re. Instead of re we have used you, and again the same sentence structure, subject, conjugation of avoir verb in present tense, and we have our participe passé, right? So again we will revise once. For er verb, e with agu. For ir verb, I. For re verb, you. So it's very easy to form, right? So if I give you a sentence, if I give you an example, j'ai mangé au restaurant. So here manger is the premier category, right? J'ai fini mes devoirs, I have finished my homework. J'ai vendu ma voiture, so I have sold my car, right? We'll come to some irregular verbs in passé composé, right? So I have picked avoir verbs. So avoir verb, the participe passé will be eu, okay? J'ai eu, tu as eu, elles ont eu, a eu, nous avons eu, vous avez eu, ils ont eu, right? So I had, you can say, right? Now we'll come to eighth verb in passé composé. Eighth verb will also go with avoir conjugation. So j'ai été, I was, tu as été, elles ont été, nous avons été, vous avez été, elles ont été, right? When we want to say I was, we have to use j'ai été, we were, nous avons été, you were, vous avez été, right? So I have given given few participe passé with e with agu. So écouter, écouter, acheter, manger, regarder, imaginer, déjeuner, jouer et payer, right? With the second category, the third category, lire. These are the irregular verbs. For lire, the participe passé will be lu, boire, bu, voir, vous, attendre, attendu, répondre, répondu, vendre, vendu, vouloir, voulu, devoir, dû, pouvoir, pour savoir, se connaître, connu. So if I want to write any sentence, I will say in passé composé, j'ai lu, j'ai bu, j'ai vu, right? Like this. These are the irregular verbs in passé composé. Okay, when we talk about finir, it will be fini, choisi, choisi, dormi, dormi, dire, dit, écrire, écrite. Okay, so if you want to say anything, I have finished, j'ai fini, right? In the next slide, we are learning negation. Okay, so negation is very easy. What we are doing in negation in passé composé, we will write je, subject, ne and pas with the first avoir or eighth verb and then the participe passé, right? So here I have given an example. Je n'ai pas vendu mon camion. So elle n'a rien dit. So here you can see the first verb, either or eighth or avoir, it will be between ne and pas and the participe passé. Merci. Hope you liked my video. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Merci. Au revoir.